Suzuki just dropped something unexpected into the dirt bike world. The 2027 RM-Z 1050 pushes into territory most manufacturers won't touch, bringing open-class power to the RM-Z lineup. If you've been waiting for a big bore machine that combines motocross DNA with serious grunt, this might be exactly what you've been asking for. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we give you the straight story on what's new and what's next. Let's break down this beast. Design. The RM-Z 1050 maintains Suzuki's signature yellow bodywork, but the chassis has been beefed up to handle the increased displacement. The frame geometry borrows from the smaller RM-Z models while adding reinforcement in key stress points. The overall profile is noticeably more substantial than the 450, yet Suzuki has worked hard to keep the lines aggressive and race-inspired. The wider radiators are integrated cleanly, and the seat-to-tank junction maintains excellent rider mobility despite the bike's larger footprint. Performance. This 1050cc four-stroke engine is a different animal entirely. Power delivery is massive but surprisingly controllable thanks to Suzuki's fuel injection mapping. Low-end torque is abundant, making technical climbs and deep sand riding far less exhausting. The top-end rush is there when you want it, but this bike really excels in the mid-range where most riding actually happens. The suspension has been specifically tuned for the extra weight and power, with components that handle aggressive riding without feeling harsh or vague. Features and technology. Suzuki equipped the RM-Z 1050 with launch control and traction management systems that are actually useful off-road. The electric start fires it up reliably, and the clutch has been upgraded to handle the increased torque without fade. The airbox design maximizes flow while keeping maintenance simple. Suzuki also included an adjustable power mode selector, letting riders dial back aggression for different terrain or skill levels. Conclusion. The 2027 RM-Z 1050 is bold, powerful, and unlike anything else in the current lineup. Does this open-class machine interest you, or is it too much bike? Drop your opinion in the comments. If you found this review valuable, hit that like button and share it with your riding crew. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth looks at the latest bikes. We'll see you on the next one.